Hello, I'm Chris. Here you're going to learn about speed reading. Fast and easy within a clearly understandable structure. A forum for login users helps to discuss and understand further mysteries about speed reading and the memory. An additional advantage of this website is that you can use this login for further upcoming websites which are afterwards linked to this one. So let's get started. At first you should know how your brain is working. Your brain is working within connections. You don't believe it? Try the exercise, memory, right underneath this clip. And you will go to learn 20 words within a row, just by listening once, even if you're drunk. Therefore, you have to link the following clips closely to each other to get a good speed reader. Thanks for watching. See you in the next clip.